Hey, what's up you guys? Tiger Rush here. So recently I've been getting a lot of questions about using Facebook for lead generation. And specifically the complaint has been, Tiger, I've been posting on my wall, I've been posting in different groups, yet I still can't find any warm leads to follow up with and make any sales. And I see that you're constantly closing sales from Facebook and different things like that, and what it is that you're doing that I'm not doing. So I decided to make a video to show you 3 things that you must do if you want to increase your leads by like 200% or more on Facebook. Now, unlike Facebook ads where you're pretty much paying to play, you're paying to reach your target audience and get these leads coming in, with organic strategies, it's free, but it takes effort. It takes you putting in the work and knowing the tricks and tips of the trade in order to find where your target customers are and how to reach them and engage them with your content. The first thing that you must be doing every day if you want to have tons of leads coming into your ecosystem and making those affiliate sales and commissions is adding at least 10 to 20 new targeted leads per day. Now, I wouldn't suggest adding these all at once because, to be honest, Facebook doesn't really care for marketers. Facebook wants marketers to actually build a business page and actually pay for ads in order to reach their customers. So if you're going to be doing this, you're going to have to do it in such a way where it's spread out so you don't trigger Facebook's algorithm or detection systems that clues them off that you're using Facebook for free to reach your target audience. So what I would suggest doing is adding 5 in the morning, 5 right before lunchtime, maybe a few more, 5 more right after lunch, and then maybe 5 more right before you go to bed at night. So you get around like 10 to 20 new fresh people coming into your friends list. Now, where do you get these leads from? Well, you should be posting regularly in targeted groups. Now, I would say joining at least 3 to 5 solid groups. And by solid groups, I mean the ones where you don't see a whole bunch of spam or a whole bunch of people just like posting their links there without much engagement. You would want a group that has at least a few thousand members, and then people in there actively asking questions and answering questions. And what you want to do is go inside and actively make value posts. Actively make posts that answers questions or touches on topics and pain points that your target audience may have. And then you want to go in, and if you see anyone asking questions that relates to your products and services or in your niche, then what you want to do is go in and answer these questions thoroughly. You want to answer these questions in such a way that people start to take notice. And what's going to happen is, as you're doing this over time, you're going to build up credibility in that group. You're going to become a valued member of the group, and people are going to start checking out your profile. And if you don't believe me, trust me, people do this. If you're constantly giving value and answering questions and making valuable posts inside of these targeted groups, people are going to start naturally friend requesting you and checking out your profiles and different things like that. Now, the next thing you want to do is what's called priming your feed. So you want to be also posting on your own personal Facebook wall. Now, I don't suggest just posting any old thing. I don't even like seeing that. When I know a lot of people do this, but they start posting famous quotes by different people and these cute little one-liners and different things like that. You know, that's okay. I mean, sometimes I can get some engagement, but it doesn't usually equal money. It doesn't stir up the emotions that you want to be touching on when you're potential customers and your target audience come across your posts and your profile. I'm going to be showing you the exact method that I use to generate 5 figures per month using Facebook alone. But first, I'm going to jump into my computer and show you what I mean by priming your feed and what to do. Okay, here we are in Facebook. So before you make any post or anything like that on your wall, here's what you want to do. You want to come over here to these 3 dots where it says news feed. And what I want you to do is default on top stories. I want you to select most recent. And when you select most recent, what this is going to do is bring up, number 1, the people who are most likely online now. These are people who are currently active inside of the Facebook app, on their desktop, in the Facebook page. And what this is going to do is allow you to interact with a whole new realm of people that you may not have even known or forgotten were even your friends. Because what Facebook does is, it'll kind of, if you ever notice, you may have thousands of friends, but you only see posts from about a few dozen of them daily or on a regular basis. This is because the friends that you are interacting with, or it tells Facebook algorithm that you have similar interests or that you are connected in some way. You like their posts, they like your posts, and Facebook will start showing you those posts more often and stop showing you the other ones. So what this does is it kind of bypasses that process and just shows you any and everybody who you're friends with that are right now online and posting. And what this is going to do is then you go through maybe 20 or 30 minutes before you make your post, and you go through and you engage with theirs. So let's say you're finding some related posts here. Let's see if I can find some from marketers. So here's one. Let's just say I was going to engage with Shaija Epps' post. So I would see her, she's posting here about some YouTube video. So I would just come here, I could heart this, I make a meaningful comment. She says, I wonder if it will stay at top 3. I have 2 buddies, so I use the best tags to rank. This is my second video. So this is awesome. She just ranked one of her videos. So I'm gonna put awesome work ranking your video. That's amazing. And I just want to go through and I want to do this, with several people, engaging them, liking their stuff, hearting their stuff. It's better to use a heart or a shocked face, something that's going to stand out. And this actually adds more value to the Facebook algorithm than just a regular like, and it stands out more. And what's going to happen is whenever you come to your page, to actually make your post, more people, Facebook is going to promote your post to more people, and you're going to get more engagements. I did this post, and I primed my feed a little bit before, and then I ended up with 71 comments, and 100 plus likes. Just doing these simple things, and this really works wonders. And a lot of people get stuck here because they almost feel like, it's a popularity contest. Like the more likes I get, the more hearts I get, it feels like the better I'm doing. But the thing is you need to start coming through and actually following up with these leads. That's the whole point of this. When people are liking your posts, when people are commenting on your posts, you're going through and you're hitting Messenger. Let's say, I hit this and I send them a message. Hey, thanks for liking my post. I might look at something on their wall right before I send them a message, and I'll comment something back to them about some things like, hey, I saw you had a post about this, and this, and I see that you're doing affiliate marketing. Can you tell me a little bit more about that? Or something to that effect, so that you're getting the conversation and the dialogue going, so that you're getting into your sales. You're actually following up with your leads. And also, when someone makes a post or makes a comment on your post, what you can do is return the favor. And this goes a really long way. So if you come down here, let's say you look at their wall, this person engaged on yours, and then you could come here and just say like, hey, you look and read their post. Much love to you, very humble with all the new contacts, more will follow. So it's like, hey man, great picture. Keep them coming. So what this is going to do is, number one, it's going to tell Facebook that now Facebook should be showing your post more to Levi Gomez or whoever it is that you were commenting on. And it's going to be showing them, as you can see, Shaija Epps already responded. And what it's going to do is start showing my post to her and her post to me more often. And especially if you get into conversations inside of Messenger with these people, what you're going to notice is over time, your engagement is going to double, triple, or more over time. I don't suggest posting just any old thing like motivational quotes or famous quotes or anything like that. What I suggest doing with your post is doing it with a strategy. And it's a strategy that is called RVL, the RVL method, which is R stands for results, V stands for value, and L stands for lifestyle. So results, value, lifestyle. And you would kind of want to alternate between these three as you're posting. And what this is going to do is boost your page and make it just very, very appealing. And it's going to humanize your marketing all at the same time. So you're going to seem like a person of value, a person who has results or gets results for people. And then you're a human because you're posting your lifestyle. So this would be like an example of my lifestyle post. This was me when I went on vacation. I'm spending time with my daughter. This lets people know I'm a human. I'm a father. I enjoy having time off. I'm not just all work and no play. I'm not just all marketing. So then, I'm also posting things that are of value. These are encouraging people's dreams, throwing rocks at their enemies, allaying their fears, confirming their suspicions. And another thing you can do is results. Like this is a video testimonial from a person that I helped.
A few months back, we ran circles. We promoted a lot of the same.
This is from a person that I ended up helping make several $1,000s per month. $7,000 within a little over 30 days of working with me. And, so I'll have a mixture of these posts, my value posts, my results, and I would have some lifestyle posts. And I just cycle through these. Here's a results post. That was a lifestyle post up here. This is a results post. It's another testimonial. These are types of things that you want to kind of be doing and cycling back through. And it works wonders. It gives your people that come to your page from when you're posting in these targeted groups and when you're following up with people, it gives you automatic credibility. And engagement is really high. 121 comments, 2 shares, 150 plus likes. So this kind of thing add credibility. It allows people to come to your page and say, "Oh wow, this guy is always giving value. He's getting results. He's getting results for others, and he's a human. I can relate to him. He's a father. He's a husband. He likes to go to the beach. He likes hanging out. He likes dogs. Whatever it is that you do, and whatever image you're putting out there. This is the type of strategy that you want to follow in order to get the results that you're looking for. And remember, all of this is to the point of getting engagement so that you can follow up with these people. So whenever these people comment, whenever they like, I want you to be sending out messages, introducing yourself, saying thank you for liking my post or responding to their comments. Go to their page, return the favor, comment on their pictures, comment on their posts, and watch how your leads just go through the roof and your engagement as well. All right, so that was 3 tips that you can use to up your engagement and actually start getting, you can actually 10x or 100x your current leads in Facebook without spending any money on ads or anything like that. So that was 1, priming your news feed. About 20 minutes to 30 minutes before you post, go through and select most recent and just start commenting and engaging with other people's posts so that when you make your post, Facebook is going to show it to more people. And we humans are kind of like that, where if you comment on my stuff, it's going to make me curious or more apt to go comment and engage on your stuff. The next thing is making sure that you have constant new eyes coming into your friends list. So adding about 10 to 20 new targeted leads or friends to your friends list per day. And make sure that you're following up with the people that are engaging and with the people that are becoming your new friends. And then making your daily post on Facebook, on your personal wall, have a strategy. And that is the RVL method: results, value, lifestyle. Now, this is going to do some amazing things for your business, and I can't wait to hear you tell me all about it. And if you're looking to start or grow your online business, your affiliate marketing business, what I would suggest is looking down below where you can find how you can start today in order to get your business and your life on track. So until next time, I'm Tiger Rush, and I'll see you around.